Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be creating a YouTube banner in Canva. Let's just jump right into the video. So we're going to search for a YouTube banner and we're going to select the first template that comes up. There are a bunch of different templates that will come up, or designs that we could readily go in and customize. The dimensions that come up as you see right here, but we're going to just use this dimension for the time being. So we're clearing out what was in the first template and we're going to design our own. So we're going into uploads and we're uploading the picture that we're going to use for this YouTube banner. And we are going to change the background color. We're going to do black just to match the background that is already in the picture. And from here, we're going to select the image and then we're going to duplicate this image. Then we're going to flip it so that it comes on the opposite side of our design. After this, and we see that our pictures are aligned, we're going to go ahead and add our text. The name of this person is Desire J. We're just creating a random name. So we're going to enter that here and we're going to go and change the text or the font to Black Mango. We're going to change this later on, but we're just showing you the different options that you have. You can change, there are a bunch of different fonts that you can choose from. So it's all about what you like or what you prefer. So we're going to just reposition this. We don't want the text to go over our image, so we're going to just keep it right in the center there. We're going to search for Alora. That's a different font style. Let it stay for this for now. Then we're going to go to elements and search for Instagram so that we can get the logo or the icon so that we can reposition, and we're going to line them up right within this line right here. We're going to search for TikTok next, and we're keeping the icons black and white. So when we input it in the design, we're going to just change the color to either black or white so that it pops out and it blends in with the overall aesthetic or theme of this banner. So the last icon we're searching for is Facebook, and we're just going to reposition the icon so that they all align and look kind of cohesive together. So we're going to change the font again to Holiday, and this font I think is the last one we're going to change it to because it looks the best thus far and it goes with the picture or the design that we're creating. So we're going to just reposition it in the center right here, and then we're going to align or realign the icons that we have. After we're done with this, we're going to insert text again to say beauty, lifestyle, fashion, or whatever your channel is about. We're going to put it right here. We're going to go ahead and change the font color to white, resize and reposition it to our liking. After we repositioned our text and did any necessary adjustments, just like that, we have created our banner design. So we're going to take a brief look at the finished product. That's looking good. Now you're going to want to pay attention to this part of the tutorial. As you can see, the dimensions have changed to 2560 and the height is 338. When we have done this, we're going to save the image and then we're going to head over to YouTube to show you how it will appear. So this is a guide to help us see how our image will appear. When we uploaded our image, it's the TV view, then we have the desktop view, and then the center part is how it will appear on all devices, and most persons normally watch YouTube on their phones, so you want to ensure that the banner can be within this frame right here. And that's it for the tutorial. Simple, easy. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content.